Hey there, I want to do a quick review of these new hair rigs we picked up specifically for carp fishing. Really excited about it. This does come in a 4-pack, I believe. There were 20 of them, which is really cool. Not sure I'll ever go through 20. I did go ahead and take 1 pack out. I'll even show you guys what it looks like rigged up. But you see the packaging is really nice. I like when things come in smaller packs so I can slip this in the tackle box. Or tackle bag, excuse me, and leave the larger 16 other pieces at home. Real quick, I'm going to talk about what it comes with. It does come with a stringer needle, which is really nice. Hopefully you can see that. You have to have these when you're putting on for most of us, the fake bait on the actual hair rig itself, which I'll show in a second. It also comes with 3 different size stops for that bait, which is really handy. And then I'll show a quick one of what it looks like rigged up. So you can see you have the swivel at the top. Hopefully this is coming through on camera. A shorter line, I'm going to guess about 8 inches. And then you have your hook. This is a size 4 barbed hook. That was the option I chose that you can see there. And then I have my fake corn rigged on as well with the stop at the end. Absolutely love this. Really excited to give it a try. It appears to be really high quality. It's a braided camouflage line is what they're calling it. They did a good job with it though. It's really thin. So I think it's gonna be really strong, but also very flexible. So hopefully the carp can't feel it. Anyway, highly recommend. I'm excited to give this a try as well.